In this video, design of Butterworth filter using bilinear transformation with the specifications here. So from 0.0 to 0.2 pi it is 0.821, and from 0.62 pi the omega value, the modulus of h of e power a omega value is 0.2. So since it is bilinear transformation digital filter, we have to apply the pre-warping stuff first. So in that pre-warping we have to find the analog omega s from the digital omega s, and for that we have to draw the graph like this. Okay, for digital omega, in x-axis analog omega modulus of h of e power j omega. So from the specification it was given that from digital omega varies from 0.2 pi to 0.6 pi to pi. So I am writing here it is 0.2 pi and again 0.6 pi for digital omega values, and y-axis modulus of h of e power j omega. The magnitude values are 0.8, 1 and 2. So you substitute that values here, 0.2, 0.8 and 0.1, like this. So this is a low pass filter, and this is actually the shortcut. It is not actually the real thing. So it is 0.8, it is noted as 1 plus epsilon square. 0.2 it is 1 divided by lambda square. If you know the right thing, you proceed in that way. If you are confusing with the different things, you proceed in my way. It will give the same answer as the right thing. So omega s it is 0.2 pi, omega p it is 0.6 pi. So substituting the values, we are getting analog omega s value. So analog omega s value it is 2.752. Analog omega p value it is 0.649. So after finding that, we have to find the order of the filter n. So n is equal to log of epsilon, the lambda divided by epsilon, log of omega s divided by omega p. So we have found the analog omega values omega s and omega p here. So lambda and epsilon are directly not given, so that we have drawn this graph. So from the graph it is 1 divided by lambda square, it is 0.2. So from that graph alone we have to find the lambda and epsilon value. So 1 divided by lambda square it is 0.2, 1 divided by epsilon square it is 0.8. So solving this lambda square value, lambda value it is 4.8, and epsilon value it is 0.75. So how to solve it is taking that 0 point to the other side. So 1 is equal to 1 divided by epsilon square, squaring on both sides, 1 plus epsilon square, then bring that 0.8 square to the lower, 1 plus epsilon square, and 1 to the left hand side. So 1 divided by 0.8 the whole square minus 1, which is equal to epsilon square. Epsilon square is equal to square root of 1 divided by 0.8 the whole square minus 1. Actually it is epsilon. So when you solve this, it gives the value of 0.75. So after finding those values, substitute the values to find the order n. It is log of lambda by epsilon divided by log of omega s divided by omega p. Lambda value 4.8, epsilon value 0.75, omega s and omega p we have found. So substituting all those values, log of 4.8 divided by 0.75 divided by log of 2.752 divided by 0.649. So it gives the answer of 1.3. So we know it is n, it is greater than or equal to, we should round it off to the next higher integer to find the order value n. So 1 on rounding off to next higher integer, it is 2. It is next higher integer. So 2. So in order to find the h of s, we have to solve from the order of the filter. For order of the filter n equal to 2, the corresponding h of s value, Butterworth value, it is 1 divided by s square, square root of 2 into s plus 1. After finding h of s, we have to find an analog filter that is equivalent with the given real time or given specification. So finding that s is substituted by s divided by omega c. Omega c can be calculated with this formula, or else you can found by omega s divided by lambda the whole power 1 by n, or you can use lambda p. I am using lambda p, omega p. Omega p, it is 0.2 pi divided by epsilon value 0.75 the whole power 2. 1 divided by 2, the value it is 0.75 radian per second. So after finding this value, substitute the value by s divided by c to find ha of s. So ha of s, we know it is 1 divided by s square. S instead of s, it is s by omega c. Instead of omega, it is 0.75, so it is whole square plus square root of 2 into s. S is 1, s divided by omega c 0.75 plus 1. So on the next step, you have to bring that 0.75 to the numerator, 75 whole square. So on bringing that, it is s square plus square root of 2 into 0.75. So here it is only 0.75. So multiply and divide by 0.75 and 0.75, so that you get 0.75 at the denominator, so that you can take that to the numerator. So s plus 1, you are having nothing, so it is 0.75 the whole square. So after finding, this is an after finding, you have to solve. So 0.75 the whole square, 0.56 s square plus 1.06 s plus 0.56. This is analog transfer function. We need to design a digital filter. So finding digital filter is h of z here by using the bilinear transformation techniques. So with the bilinear transformation techniques, we have to substitute s is equal to 2 by t 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse. So I am taking t is equal to 1 seconds here. If some other seconds are given in the question, we have to solve it in this way. So it is 0.56 divided by, instead of s it is 2 divided by t, no, t it is 1 seconds I am taking, into, instead of s it is 2 by 1 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse the whole power 2. It is s square. So 2 plus next h of s, it is 1.06. Yeah, it is 1.06 into s. S instead of s, it is 2 into 1 minus z inverse divided by 1 plus z inverse plus 1 plus 0.56. Again here the same procedure, 1 plus z inverse the whole square to the numerator. So 2 into 1 minus z inverse the whole square, this part to be taken upwards, plus 1 plus 0.6 into 2 into 1 minus z inverse. Here it is only 1 plus z inverse. So multiply and divide by 1 plus z inverse and 1 plus z inverse. So 1 plus z inverse to the upper side. Lower 1 plus z inverse will be taken to the numerator. And 0.6, there is nothing coefficient here. So we are multiplying by 1 plus z inverse the whole square on numerator and denominator, and denominator to the numerator 1 plus z inverse the whole square. So on solving this, it is actually 2 square divided by, which is equal to 0.56 into 1 plus z inverse whole square and 2 square 1 minus z inverse the whole square. This is 2.12 into 1 minus z inverse. Here it is a plus b, a minus b formula. So a square minus b square, 1 minus z power minus 2 plus 0.56 into 1 plus z inverse the whole square. This is the final h of z equation, that is h of z transfer function for given filter using bilinear.